Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this used vehicle.
This is the BMW X3 M Sport 30d we've currently got for sale, finished in the gorgeous carbon black metallic paint. It's got a 3-litre diesel engine producing 254 brake horsepower with an automatic gearbox and that brilliant xDrive 4-wheel drive as well. Have peace of mind motoring this vehicle with a minimum of 12 months warranty from ourselves. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, it's got these black kidney grills with the LED daytime running lights and the Bi Xenon headlights. Running down the side, the guy got these beautiful 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with the optionally fitted folding wing mirrors which are automatically dimming, and privacy glass from the B pillar backwards as well. A huge amount of boot space available with split folding seats, there's plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. You'll also benefit from the electric tailgate which you can open with the key fob as well. Moving inside, you get the gorgeous Nevada leather finished in ivory white, with the contrasting bits of red detailing there, and also the X badging just on the headrests. Moving to the front, there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, and that centre armrest as well to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Also optionally fitted to this car is the BMW Professional Multimedia System, as you can see here. It has got your infotainment such as digital radio and multiple media functions including your Bluetooth. You've also got sat-nav navigation with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. There's multiple driver modes available with the sport setting for more dynamic drive, the comfort setting and also an Eco Pro setting as well to help save some fuel. To help with parking, got front and rear parking sensors with an optionally fitted reversing camera as well. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control which is nice and easy to adjust, with heated front seats are perfect for those cold winter mornings. There's also a little bit of storage just below there, and also you also hold and hill descent control.
For more information, give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.